Keeping a level head, your guide to staying calm. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive deep into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're exploring a very interesting phrase, keep a level head. Understanding this phrase is not just about expanding your vocabulary, but it's also about enriching your communication skills. So, let's unravel the meaning behind these words and learn how to use them effectively in our daily conversations. To keep a level head means to remain calm, composed, and rational in stressful or difficult situations. It's about having the ability to think clearly and make good decisions without letting emotions get the better of you. This phrase paints the picture of someone who doesn't easily panic or lose their cool, even when things get tough. While the exact origin of the phrase, keep a level head, might not be pinpointed to a specific moment in history, it's rooted in the idea of balance and steadiness. The word, level, here signifies balance and equilibrium, suggesting that a person's thoughts and emotions are in harmony, allowing for clear and logical thinking. Let's put our phrase into action with some examples. 1. In emergencies, despite the chaos of the emergency, the team leader was able to keep a level head and direct everyone to safety. 2. At work, when the project was falling behind schedule, Maria managed to keep a level head and organize the team to work efficiently. 3. In personal life, even when faced with personal challenges, it's important to keep a level head and seek solutions calmly. These examples showcase the versatility of the phrase and how it can be applied in various aspects of life. Keeping a level head is crucial for several reasons. Decision-making. Clear thinking leads to better decision-making. Stress management. It helps in managing stress and anxiety. Effective leadership. Calmness in leadership inspires confidence and respect. Personal growth. It fosters resilience and emotional intelligence. Understanding the value of this trait can encourage us to develop and maintain it in our own lives. Thank you for joining us to explore the meaning and importance of keeping a level head. This phrase is more than just a linguistic expression. It's a valuable life skill that can greatly impact your personal and professional life. We hope this video has been informative and inspiring. Stay calm, stay composed, and remember to keep a level head in all your endeavors. See you in our next video.